The common advice on how to make meditation videos for YouTube tell you to find copyright-free music, copyright-free images, and then create a video and you will earn loads of money. But in reality, YouTube will not monetize these type of videos. Yes, there are channels that started years ago in the relaxation music niche that make a lot of money with these type of videos. However, this strategy does not work anymore. There are specific things you need to do if you want to make money with meditation videos. For example, this YouTube channel is fairly small channel and the first YouTube was uploaded about 10 months ago. If you click on a video, you see that YouTube ads are playing on this video. This new channel is making money with meditation videos. How did this new channel get monetized? In this video, I will show you all the steps you need to follow so that you can also make money with meditation videos. Watch this video till the end. I will also show you additional ways you can make even more money with these type of channels. YouTube frowns upon reuse content. If you want to make money with YouTube monetization, you need to create original content as much as possible. So how do you do that with meditation videos? So let's start with the first step, which is audio. Most people do this the wrong way. They use music from YouTube audio library or use various websites to find copyright-free meditation music. In YouTube monetization policies, it clearly states that what you can do and what you can't do if you want to be eligible for YouTube monetization. So you must do this instead. You need to add original content for audio. Stick with me, I will show you how to do that. There are a couple of ways to make the content original for audio. You can add a voiceover where someone is speaking along with some soothing music in the background. To do this, first you need to create a meditation voiceover script. You can find many meditation scripts by searching on Google, but don't copy this word by word. Use these as a guide to create your own version of a script. If you don't want to create meditation script for the video yourself, you can head over to Fiverr and get someone to do it for you. Once you have the meditation script, if you have a calming voice, you can read it out yourself. If not, use these options. You can use an online tool which converts text to speech and get a human-like voiceover. You simply add the text and then get a human-like voiceover in MP3. It is important that you use a human-like voice, what this tool offers, and not a robotic voice. This online tool supports several languages. You can choose a male or female voice. I will leave the link in the description. If you are on mobile, just head over to promoteYouTubeVideos.com/text voice. I will keep this link updated with latest discounts and you can get a 30-day money back guarantee as well. So you can try this tool and see if it's a good match for you. The good thing about having a tool like this is that you don't need to pay for each and every voiceover. It's just a one-time fee and you can continue to use this as long as you want. If money is not an issue for you, go to a freelancing site like Fiverr and then get someone to read the script for you. Some of these gigs also offer adding calming music in addition to the voiceover, which will be an added bonus to make your meditation videos stand out. To summarize, you need to create an original audio to make money with meditation videos with YouTube monetization. But keep watching. If you don't want to go through this much of trouble, I have a couple of alternative ways to make money with meditation videos, which I will cover towards the end of this video. Now let's move on to the next part, which is the visual. Here you must replace the image with a video. For example, in this video, you see a video which is relevant to the topic of the video. The same video is being shown over and over. I don't recommend this approach. This means that you will have repetitive content which is against YouTube AdSense policies. YouTube has clearly stated that repetitive content will not be monetized, so don't waste your time. Make sure you have a good animated video that keeps changing. Apart from YouTube ads, there are a couple of other ways to make money with meditation videos. Go to ClickBank and create a free account. Then you can find various products related to meditation. Click on this button and you will get a link. You can promote this via YouTube videos. I have created many videos about this topic. I will leave the link to those videos in the description below. If just one person buys this product with your affiliate link, you will earn this amount. With this method, you can earn more money than with YouTube AdSense because you don't need a lot of views to make money. Imagine if you get 500 views and out of that 100 people clicked on your affiliate link, and then let's say just 5 people went on to buy, then you make this amount of money. Another method to monetize meditation videos on YouTube is by selling the meditation you create. You can use a free website like Gumroad and start selling. Here you see a couple of examples. You can promote this page in your meditation videos and in the description of the video.